You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Global stock markets remain near record highs despite U.S. President Donald Trump's announcement of new and increased tariffs on automobile, semiconductor, and pharmaceutical imports. The S&P 500 index closed at a record high, while Asian investors are taking profits on Chinese tech stocks. The U.S. dollar remains stable amid ongoing negotiations between the U.S. and Russia. The New Zealand dollar strengthened after an interest rate cut, while the British pound rose following inflation data from the UK. Gold prices increased, staying close to previous record highs. During the January 28, 2029 meeting, Federal Reserve officials discussed the possibility of slowing down or pausing balance sheet reduction while awaiting greater clarity on Treasury bond issuance amid discussions on government spending plans and debt limits. The quantitative tightening program has already reduced the Fed's assets from $9 trillion in 2022 to just over $2 trillion. However, market liquidity uncertainty and the need for cautious management in potentially volatile conditions influenced their discussions. Meeting minutes reflect market participants' expectations that the quantitative tightening program will end by mid-2025. Oil prices fell following a report indicating an increase in U.S. crude oil inventories, as well as ongoing trade disputes. Brent crude futures dropped by 0.29%, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate fell by 0.42%. Global economic uncertainty, linked to potential U.S. tariff policies, could drive up consumer prices and reduce fuel demand. Demand in Europe and China also remains weak. The market remains in a state of heightened uncertainty due to U.S. tariff threats. Gold is seen as a hedge against geopolitical risks and inflation, maintaining strong demand. However, rising interest rates may reduce its attractiveness. Nevertheless, the precious metal continues to reach new historical highs. One factor weakening the dollar and supporting gold's rise could be the Fed's discussion on pausing balance sheet reduction, although this remains just a topic of discussion for now. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.